I find you with red tears in your eyes. I ask you, what is your name? You offer no reply. Or should I call a doctor? For I fear you might be dead. But I just lay down beside you and held your hand. I fell in love with you. Now you're my one only. 'Cause all my life I've been so blue, but in that moment you fulfilled me. Now I tell all my friends I fell in love with a dead boy. And I tell my family I wish you could have met him. Now write letters to Australia. Now throw a bottle out to sea. I whisper the secret in the ground. No one's gonna take you away from me. I fell in love with a dead boy. Oh, such a beautiful boy. I fell in love with a dead boy. Oh, such a beautiful boy. Oh, such a beautiful boy. I asked him, are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or are you a girl? Are you a boy or are you a girl? Are you a boy?